Hi guys, we received this Meudeen 3-in-1 mini vacuum cleaner for reviewing purposes. It's really nice because you can use it as a mini vacuum, an air duster, and an air blower, which is really nice. It comes with different attachments to use depending on what you wanna use it with. So let's open it. The first thing we see is this travel bag, which is like really nice material quality. You got, as I've said, all the nozzle attachments for vacuum, a charger, you can see. It has this style of interchangeable air filters, which are quite nice, and because they are reusable, so you can wash them and well have it so you can use it many times. Okay, and this is oh, you got a replacement for the air filter, which is nice. This is the main unit. As you can see, it's really small. It has some nice colors and it feels really nice. Also comes with the instructions on how to assemble all the different accessories. Okay, so it's nice. So let's test first the baking function. You just slide it like this and press it for 2 seconds, and as you can see, it starts. It got 2 modes. The first one is this one, and you got this other one, which is more potent, more powerful. You got this attachment, so you can just it like this. Or this extension one, like this, to reach more difficult areas that you want. And also this like brush duster on the extension. Okay. When you press it on the 3rd time, it turns off. Okay. And now let's test the air pump. Okay, you've got 3 different accessories. Okay, so first we're gonna test this air pump. As you can see, it's very powerful. Let's test now this one because it got 2 features. You can use it like this, simple, or with this attachment, like this. Okay. This one is smaller. But it's really nice. It's great that it's compact, so you can have it with you almost anywhere. You can get it to travel, stuff like that. It's really nice. Okay, you can also use it these ones like an air pump to get air out of your suitcases, stuff like that. Compress bags, ziplocs, you know, depending on what you need. So it's really nice. I would recommend that. It's perfect to bring it out with you on travels, to clean your desktop, your keyboard, stuff like that. It's really nice. So I would recommend it. See ya.